Make his remarks and invite you, sir. Welcome, sir.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, Your Excellency, the First Lady, Mama Rachel Ruto, our Cabinet Secretary for Education, our governors for the 3 counties, elected leaders, the executive committee that put this festival together, the adjudicators, the performing artists, good afternoon. Your Excellency, this is a beautiful day. And I think for me and you and for those who work under you, the performance that was most appropriate was a prescription. I think we really needed it. 4 hours to while away, unwind, just relax, take it easy, because what we saw here, the pressure, is what goes through our offices every day. As you try to manage the affairs of this country, we are under intense pressure, trying to manage the economy, trying to manage foreign relations, trying to manage the doctors, trying to manage everybody, listening to all sorts of advices from every corner. So in life, we need a prescription that once in a while we need to work and just take it easy so that our minds can be up, and we can be able to make even better decisions. Your Excellency, the place of theater in our society as Africans has been very instrumental. The African people, from time immemorial, communicated important messages through drama, song, and dance. And as we sat here to see the very beautiful productions that were here, the production here on Zebedao is a reflection of what is happening in every village. Children born with the deformities, with the challenges, are hidden from society. People do not want to take the stigma. They do not want to be associated with what they consider as shame. You have seen a real sister betraying a real brother because of a challenge and saying is a child of a house girl. That is the society we live in. And I think through drama, through song and dance, we can communicate important messages. And the moral of that story that was told here is that all people with the challenges are human beings. We must show them love and compassion. And they too have abilities. And I think that was a very powerful performance. Your Excellency, I sat through the second day of the gala performance, and I can tell you, as a student of theater arts, the standard this year was very high. And I was discussing with our SG Malala, and we did agree that God being gracious to us, all factors being constant, next year we should be attending the 2 days of gala, because we missed many performances that were very electrifying and would have made us very happy. I don't know what happened to the organizers. There was a very beautiful performance that should have come before the president and his people here on the smartphone. There was a good performance by a young girl saying smartphones have taken over our homes and offices are extended into the home late into the night. People have stopped talking to each other. Everybody is busy. The husband is busy with the phone. The wife is busy. The children are busy. Nobody is talking to each other. Meetings are going on in the house after work. It was a beautiful performance. I don't know what happened. It would have come here so that even ourselves, you remind us that when we go home, we may want to put the smartphone aside and start living normally the way we used to do before the advent of this technology. Your Excellency, we really want to appreciate these artists. I want to honor the directors and the producers and the scriptwriters. This was very wonderful productions, and we want to encourage you to go further. As I said in Embu, and I have discussed with Cleo Malala. He has advised me what to do. I want, if the executive committee allows me next year, to sponsor a category for drug and substance abuse, all the way from the county to the regional level, to the national level, with the trophies and hefty cash awards, so that we can have very serious productions on the effects of drug and substance abuse that are ravaging our nation. And I'll be able to sit down with the committee and Cleo Malala, and we package that category so that next year is part of the competition, so that we can have those productions that can inform our society so that we can get better. Before I call you, Your Excellency, if you allow me, I would like to introduce the leadership that is here so that people can know who is here. The local member of parliament for Madera, mupigie makofi angalia bandio, Eric Wamombi, is a member of parliament here for Madera, my former constituency. The senator of Nyeri, Wahome wa Matinga, the one who said, as the people of Nyeri don't like talking too much because we have several challenges between CH, SH, RL, we have challenges. But myself, over the years, I've overcome that challenge. But the problem is, when I'm here back in the village, my home is a kilometer from here, I get back into it. I think it's the old adage that you can take the man out of the village, but you can't take the villager out of him. Then we have, whom do we have there? Beatrice Adagala, the women member of parliament for Vihiga. We have the Honorable Haika Mizigi, women rep for Taita Taveta. We have the Deputy Speaker of the Senate, Kadhure Murungi, and also the Senator of Meru. Who else do we have there? We have Mukami Mashinani, the women rep for Nyeri. We have Samuel Gachove, the Member of Parliament for Subukia in Nakuru. Those are the leaders who came with us. When we came to Embu, we came with the young MPs who are also artists. We were there with KJ, John Kerry of Dagoretti. We were there with Jalash from Langata. We were there with the greatest comedian in town, Salasia. We were many people. We had a good time with these artists. And then we have, of course, Cleo Malala, our Secretary General, a very renowned scriptwriter and producer who have done great works of art in this country. And Cleo, we want to encourage you to continue writing more, have more productions. Let me request all of us to be outstanding as you help me to usher in the President of the Republic of Kenya kwa makofi, akuje atuzungumzie na anene na sisi. Karibu Mheshimiwa Rais.